guys, welcome back to another video with the Carbon Connection. My name is Yasser Ismail. If this is the first time you're tuning in to our channel, we are back at Solankis Auto. Like you've seen in the previous video, that of course we sent the turbos into Fastech, owned by Gabby, and he installed the wastegate rattle repair kit as well as new actuators which we purchased from Mamba Tech. So this video will be spread out over probably about a week or two. I'm going to give you guys a peek at the turbos and how they look after Gabby worked his magic with them, and yeah, then we will catch up again once Janak has reinstalled them, and hopefully this is the final stretch in getting the 335 back. So yeah, you'll probably see me again when we are actually collecting the 335 here at Solankis Auto. Here are the turbos. We just had them hunkered down with the net. Let's just undo that. It's a little bit easier to get them out. So yeah, I'm not going to open up the casing right now. Yeah, pretty well cleaned up. They look brand new. There is the new actuator from Mamba Tech. Here are the new wastegate arms that have been welded back on. And yeah, very little play on them now. So hopefully this will solve our 30FF issues. Guys, you are joining me about a week and a half later. It's finally time to collect the 335. It's been almost a year without it. It's been one of the longest waits, probably one of the toughest journeys for me. Problem after problem, figuring it out, trying to sort out the boost leak, and we believe that it is finally sorted out. I am back at Solankis Auto here in Indonesia, and yeah, let's take the 335 home. Okay guys, so we are ready to take the 335 home, finally. Okay, start it up. She's sounding good, on reserve, we're going to fill up. But yeah, she's sounding good. 1 year, almost a year later, finally getting to take her home. I mean, I know I drove it a little while ago, but that's not the same. It was just a test drive. This time I know I am taking it home. So it's an amazing feeling. I mean, it's been tough. I know it's been tough. I've missed the coral red interior. I've missed the sound, the feeling, the DCT gearbox. But yeah, let's finally take her home and then we'll take a look. We have officially made it back home without any errors, without any check engine lights. It was pure bliss to drive the E92 335 back home. It's yeah, I can't even explain how I'm feeling right now. But yeah, thanks for joining me on this journey. Thanks for being here for the highs and the lows. And now the build can officially continue. Well, not quite. It's got to do a 1,000-kilometer run-in service. Obviously, it's a completely rebuilt motor, so we've got to do oil flush, oil filter change after 1,000 kilometers. Actually, we've already done about 280 odd, maybe 300 with all the test drives that Janak did for us, and of course bringing it home. But yeah, I am super stoked and so relieved to have the car back, thanks to the Almighty. And of course, yeah, man, just being patient and understanding what needs to be done. So thanks so much for tuning in to today's episode. I know it's not an exciting one in the sense that there's no mods happening, there's no test drives, there's no 0 to 100s. It's just me sharing my experience and my feelings, and yeah, bringing you guys along with me to bring the 335 home. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and help my little YouTube channel grow into something a lot more. Thanks for tuning into the Carbon Connection.